Hello, Internet. This is Dylan here, and over the past 3 odd months, my basement's been flooding at a 100-year-old house that never needed a sump pump before. I guess now it suddenly decided it needed one for some reason. Ignore the dehumidifier over here. Finally, about 2 weeks ago, my dad came by. We cut a hole in the basement, put a bucket in it, and we've got a sump pump going in there at the moment. I've got this pipe running up it, got a one-way valve on it. Let's go ahead and see it work, because I think you'll find it interesting how I got this going. Oh, don't give up now. Look at that one-way valve. I love that. Love seeing it work properly after 3 months of it not working. God, used to be snaking out the window here. But if you'll see here, the valve goes up here, up there, angles up along here, and once it goes up here, it all goes downhill out the rest of the way. You can see I really PVC cemented in this as much as physically possible. My, it's practically purple up there. Everything's PVC cemented in here, so I think it should be going well. I'm going to shorten this tube. This was just a temporary tube for a bit. I'll shorten it to something a little bit more reasonable, so I'll get less leakage. It's already leaking a little bit. Let's just see where it goes out here. Alright. Yeah, this took all day. My God, you don't want to think about how many trips to Menards and Home Depot it took for all this. Anyway, here's where the pipe goes. It's running downhill here. And I have 2 points here. I can have it go into this bucket either here, so I can harvest the gray water and use it for, you know, fruit propagating all my gardening. I mean, I have just like 20 fruit trees on this property. I need to do a map of this. You know, I'll probably do that soon. I'll do a map of all that. Anyway, it can go into this bucket depending on which valve is open. If both are open, it will go half into the bucket, half out. It has enough, that sump pump is powerful enough to have it just jump over that. So there you go. But if this valve is open, it'll go this way, go this way, go this way. And don't worry, I put a level on it. It's going downhill the whole way. Not by much, but it's still going. Go this way, go this way, go this way, go this way. And it'll go over here to where I have a little stream going out to the hill and going out of my property. Fucking fantastic. But the great thing about this is I have it now leading out to where my pawpaws are. They're not active yet, it's too early in the season, but these little things occupying here are native pawpaw trees, and they love wet soil. So what that means is I've just turned my major problem into a major non-problem. Heck, I could have a little seedling area here for all kinds of different things. Plums love all the wetness, all that wet soil. They thrive in it, so I could easily have that going there. And I have it going out of this greenhouse here. Heck, I could have this piped into the greenhouse if I really need it to. But that probably will be overkill for now. Yeah, it could all go real easy. Alright, had to go under the pathway, had to dig through a ton of rock and stone. Had to just go through everything for this, so I just wanted to be able to show it off. For over the course of 3 months, and probably 12 trips to Menards, Home Depot, and Lowe's, and 1 or 2 to Harbor Freight, I finally got this thing going. I'm going to cement everything in and call it a day. I am tired. Alright, later all.